Welcome to this week's special spring break edition of Bethel Sports Wrap. I'm Kelly Hinseth. Both men's and women's tennis teams dominated in Orlando, Florida with undefeated records for both. The women's team shut out half of its opponents 9-0 and finished the trip 6-0. The men's team performed equally as well, shutting out 4 out of 7 of its opponents 9-0, and they finished their trip with a 7-0 record. Both squads have time off until their next matchups. They will have their first MIAC game on April 2nd at St. Mary's University. The Royals baseball team traveled to Fort Myers, Florida for the annual Gene Cusick Collegiate Classic, where they played a total of 8 games over the course of the week, starting off with a 2-win doubleheader series against Plymouth State University. The team also got a chance to play the Minnesota Twins rookie team at CenturyLink Complex. They also swept Skidmore College in a 2-game series on Thursday. The team doesn't have to endure the Minnesota cold for much longer, as their next matchup have them traveling to Tucson, Arizona for the Tucson Invitational this Thursday through Saturday. Just 3 hours north of BU baseball, the softball team faced a number of tough opponents over the course of the break. The squad got their first W against Concordia University, Wisconsin on Sunday. They also beat the College of New Jersey and capped off the trip with an 8-3 win over Calvin College. The team finished the trip with 3-7 record, but has a nice 8-day break till their first MIAC matchup versus Gustavus next Monday in a 2-game series at home. Thanks for watching, go Royals, and we'll see you next week.